In this video I'm taking these cheap trees and making them look better. To start with, I will take the dowel wood and scrape it with a saw to make a bark effect. Then I'm going to cut them into different sizes. I'm then going to snip at the trees to rough them up. I've drilled a hole in the end so I can glue the trees into the dowel. Using the drill again, I'm going to drill holes in the side to make extra branches. I'm going to be using sea foam as the branches and sticking them into the holes I've made. I then spray painted the whole trees with what I thought was a brown undercoat. Turns out to be more red than brown. So I have painted the trunks with a flat earth colour. Using hairspray and Woodland Scenic Splendid Grass, I started adding what looks like leaves. And this is what trees look like after a small bit of creativity. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, or even better, how you make your trees, as I'm always keen to learn. Thanks for watching.